Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Dear students, myself R.S. Goswami from KGK Higher Secondary School. Today I am going to teach economics of standard 12, chapter number 6, unemployment. In last video I explained meaning and types of unemployment. Now today, causes of unemployment, that means reasons for unemployment. So what is unemployment? A person who is able to do the work, then finding the work, ready to do the work, but he does not get the work at the given wages and fixed point of time. That is known as unemployment. Again, what is unemployment? Unemployment means a person who is ready to do the work, able to do the work, also in search of work at the given wages and fixed period of time, but does not get the work. That is known as unemployment. So now here, what are the reasons? Which are the causes for unemployment? We see here one by one. Number one, high rate of population growth. This is the main cause of causes of unemployment. Population rate in India after independence, though population growth rate is high, and because of that supply of labor increase, but other side less development of different sectors, that means agriculture sector, industrial sector and service sector. So one side high population, because of that supply of labor increase, but other side because of lack opportunity the demand is more of which kind of work they want. So here, because of high population, one side supply is more, but other side demand is less, and so the problem of unemployment creates. Again, because of high population, one side supply of labor increase, but the other side less development of agriculture sector, then industrial sector and service sector, and so the opportunity is less. So one side supply is more and demand is less, and because of that the problem of unemployment creates. Second one, less opportunities after independence. Total 13 5-year plan in India, and each and every year or in each and every planning there are some things to control the unemployment. Government takes so many steps to reduce or to control the problem of unemployment, but the unemployment is still there by less opportunities. We see there different type of unemployment in India, and so people or the workers do not have opportunities. Less development, and because of that less development of agriculture, less development of industries, less development of service sector, and because of that the opportunity is also less, and so the problem of unemployment create. Third one, low saving and investment. Because of unemployment, people do not have work, and because of that their income less. People living below poverty line, so they have income, by that they can satisfy only the primary requirements, so their saving is less. If saving is less, then the investment is less. If the investment is less, then the production or development of industry, service sector less, and again the problem of unemployment create. So here, your income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Income is equal to expenditure plus saving. So if your income is low, so most of your income you can spend to satisfy your primary requirement, and that's why your saving decrease. If your saving decrease, automatically the investment decrease. Investment decrease, less development of industries and service sector, and because of that the problem of unemployment creates. And this vicious circle continue in the economy. After that, capital intensive production method. There are two types of production method. One is capital intensive, second is labor intensive. For each and every country of the world, the first preference is development, and for the development we require different kind of machinery, technology, method. So development high. Country like India is developing nation. So India also try to move to development, and for that it is necessary to use capital intensive production method. More machinery, more technology. So here the demand of labor decrease. Heavy industries, key industries, where we use more machinery and less labors. So here demand of labor decrease because our priority is development. If you do not use latest technology, latest machinery, then your development decrease. So the government's main priority is development of nation, and for the development of nation it is compulsory to use capital intensive method. And in capital intensive method we use more machinery, more technology and less labor, and that's why laborers become unemployed. After that, lack of vocational education. Vocational education means after getting the education you become job giver, not job finder. So in India there are some problem in education system. After graduation you become the job finder, not the job giver. So here there is some problem in the education system. Very less people or less opportunities in vocational courses. Only 1 or 2% people or 1 or 2% students join after 12 in vocational courses, just like engineering, then doctorate, then medical, CA, CS, MBA, and normally in arts faculty, in commerce faculty and in science faculty, BA, BCom or BSc. After completing the graduation, they haven't any skill or any specialization, and that's why the problem of unemployment created, especially here educated unemployment. So here lack opportunity in the vocational education. The institute like IIM, institute like IIT, NIT, less number of students take the admission because less opportunities, and because of that only the commerce graduate, only the arts graduate, only the science graduate. After completing the graduation, they haven't the special skill or specialization in any field, and they become the unemployed because after completing the graduation in the market there is less opportunity, and that's why create the problem of educational unemployment. After that, lack of manpower planning. Manpower planning means what? In future we will need 500 doctors, 1000 engineers, then managers. This type of planning in your mind of the government. So if you plan how to develop the manpower, and according to that you will start the new educational institutes. You can increase number of vacancies, number of seats. If you have a plan in future how many doctors, how many engineers you will require. But this kind of the planning in India we do not see. So here one side people try to complete their graduation in any field. They haven't any plan, and that's why after completing the graduation in any field, just like the BA, BCom or BSc, less opportunities are there, and because of that they become unemployed. So lack of manpower planning. After that, inefficiency of public sector. Inefficiency of public sector. What is public sector? The ownership and the management in the hand of government. That is known as public sector. And you know very well what is the condition of public sector in India. They always thinking to avoid the work. We will see. This kind of avoidance we see in the public sector. For example, you go in the bank, there is small query of you which we can solve in 5 minutes, but we see there half an hour or 1 hour we will spend. We go there again and again to solve single query. Not in the bank, even in different kind of public sector. This kind of the problem created. So their efficiency is less, and because of that production less, and less opportunities are there, and that is create the problem of unemployment. So efficiency of the public sector is inefficient. After that, negligence of public sector. Negligence of agriculture sector. Agriculture sector. You know very well, India is an agrarian country. The main occupation of Indian is agriculture. More than 60% people depend on agriculture directly or indirectly for employment, for income generation. But in 5-year plan, we neglect or we give less importance to the agriculture field. We give more, government gives more importance to the industrial sector and service sector. But most of the people depend on agriculture. Most of the people live in the villages. And that's why the problem of unemployment creates. Here the major sector is agriculture sector, because India is known as the country of villages. Most of the people live in villages, and where only single sector, and that is agriculture sector. But the government does not take care or not gives more importance to the agriculture sector, always neglected by the government, and most of the people depend on agriculture. So many industries also depend on agriculture, just like the textile industries, sugar industries, jute industries, edible oil industries, because the production of agriculture uses raw materials in industries. If you neglect the agriculture, then how can you get the raw material for the industrial sector? So, less development agriculture directly affect on the development of industrial sector, and both affect the service sector. So this way, negligence of agriculture sector is one of the cause of employment. After that, low mobility of the workers. What is mobility? The movement of the worker from one place to other place, one area to another area, that is known as mobility. Country like India, where we will connected with the family, so many people are not ready to move for the work from one place to another place, far away, because they are connected with the family. So many social reasons, and because of that they are not migrate from one place to another place for the search of job, especially in the rural area. People working together in the agriculture field, either production more or less, doesn't matter. So mobility is less, and that's why people become unemployed. In rural area, all the family members working together in the industrial sector, so they are not ready to transfer from villages to cities, and that's why the problem of unemployment created. One of also reason is joint family. So the responsibility of the family not on the single head, responsibility distributed among the family members. So they are not ready to move or transfer, migrate from one place to another place, and that's why the problem of unemployment we see in the rural area. In rural area, the main occupation is agriculture. Most of the people depend on agriculture, and agriculture depend on rain, and Indian rain uncertain and irregular, and that's why the problem create. If heavy rain, that's bad effect on the agriculture. If the scarcity of rain, then again the bad effect on the agriculture. So this way, the less development of agriculture causes the unemployment. And other side, the village people are not ready to migrate from rural area to urban area. This is the cause for unemployment, because other opportunities are not available in the rural area. Only the occupation is agriculture, and there are so many limitations in agriculture to provide the unemployment, less opportunities. So this is the cause of unemployment, the low mobility of workers. After that, lack of infrastructure facility. What is infrastructure? The group of facilities. A group of facilities for the development of country is known as infrastructure. We can include here transportation, communication, banking, education, health facility, road facility, drainage system, all these things we include in infrastructure facilities. In India, infrastructure facility is less than demand. So here, because of less infrastructure facility, suppose the transportation, because of less transportation, mobility of workers is less. If the transportation is good condition, more frequency, then workers are ready to move or migrate from one place to other place. They can up and down. But infrastructure facility is less, and because of that, less development of industries, and because of that, less opportunity of employment, and because of that, the problem of unemployment. So students, once again, causes of unemployment. First one, high rate of population growth. Second, less opportunities. Third, low saving and investment. Fourth, capital intensive production method. Fifth, lack of vocational education. Sixth, lack of manpower planning. Seven, inefficiency of public sector. And eight, negligence of agriculture sector. 9, low mobility of workers. And 10, lack of infrastructure facilities. So student, these are the causes of unemployment. In next lecture, what are the steps to control unemployment or reduce unemployment? Thank you very much.